Animals and Nature, the Whale's Big Song. One sunny day in the ocean, a young whale named Willie found himself far from home. He had wandered too far and was lost. As he swam aimlessly, he heard a beautiful melody that seemed to come from the sea itself. Curious and a little scared, Willie approached the source of the music. He found himself surrounded by friendly fish who led him to a large, mysterious creature singing the song he had heard. The creature was a majestic blue whale named Bella, who claimed she could sing the secrets of the ocean. Impressed by her knowledge, Willie asked Bella to teach him the song. Bella agreed but warned that it was a difficult melody, only the wisest of creatures could master. Willie was determined to learn and promised to help spread the song's beauty throughout the ocean. For days, Willie practiced under Bella's watchful eye. He could feel the song taking shape in his heart, but struggled to get it just right. Frustrated, he feared he was not smart enough to learn the melody. One day, as Willie practiced once more, he felt something within him click. With newfound confidence, he began to sing the beautiful melody Bella had taught him. As he sang, his voice echoed throughout the ocean, captivating all who heard it. Astonished by the power of his voice, all who heard the song marveled at its beauty. They praised Willie for learning such a difficult melody and thanked him for sharing it with them. Bella smiled, knowing that Willie had become a true friend to the ocean. With Bella at his side, Willie returned to his family. As he sang the song throughout the journey home, more and more creatures joined him, eager to learn the melody for themselves. When they finally reached his home, everyone celebrated the beautiful music that had brought them together. From that day on, Willie became a beloved figure in his community, always sharing his beautiful song with those who listened. The ocean thrived under his leadership, filled with harmony and peace. As time passed, Willie's song spread throughout the entire ocean. Creatures of all shapes and sizes learned the melody, each adding their unique voice to the chorus. The ocean became a symphony of life, united by the power of music. And so, the days turned into years, and the years into decades. The song continued to be passed down from generation to generation, reminding everyone of the wonders of nature and the importance of unity. As an old and wise whale, Willie looked out over the ocean he had protected for so long. He knew that his song would continue to inspire future generations, bringing them together, just as it had done for him. The whale's big song taught us the power of unity and the beauty of nature. By working together, we can create something truly amazing that will live on for generations to come. Let's share this message with our friends and family, inspiring them to find their own big song in life.